Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. Today I've had a lazy day. I didn't go to work today and I combed my hair. I know nobody really ever sees my hair down. Went to the movies, just hung out with my friend and decided to do a video on some of the hair products that have been really working for my hair. The reason why I never wear my hair down is because it's very dry. It's hard to work with. My scalp is like ridiculously dry. If you've been following me, you know that I have thyroid issues where it made my hair really, like, my scalp was pissed off. It is flaky, itchy. I get white flakes all over my hair. It's just dry and brittle and it's just in bad condition. So I ended up buying a couple products that have really been making a huge difference. Now, the first thing that I got here was a Don't Despair. This is by Briogeo, and this stuff was introduced to me in my FabFitFun, and that has been a saver because I have been looking into all these other products that they have in this line at Sephora, and it has made a huge difference in my hair. I mean, look at this. Like, my hair has never looked so good. Like, it was just dry. Now it's just a little bit shinier, a little bit more manageable. My scalp is not flaky anymore. I don't have to go to the doctor specifically to get, you know, hair shampoo, because I literally would have to go make an appointment and have her look at my hair to see what was going on and just give me different shampoos, which was a pain in the butt to do. So during the VIB sale, I ended up picking up these two shampoos right here. This is a Be Gentle, Be Kind, and it's a shampoo and conditioner. They smell delicious. They smell like apples. Oh my God, it smells so good. And it leaves your hair like incredible. Now these two together, I'm gonna read a little bit about it. Now you could actually buy those two together or you could buy them separately. Okay, so this says that it is good for straight, wavy, curly hair. A nutrient-rich green juice inspired shampoo formulated to quench parched, dull strands with a daily dose of matcha and apple. Boosts dull locks, hydrates dry parched hair, protects against environmental damage. So these, I've been using it for about a week now that I bought them on the VIB, and just a little bit I've been using it has made a huge difference in my hair. Okay, so the next thing that I have here is the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner. I'm in love with this stuff. I'm like so in love with it. Okay, so I'm gonna read a little bit about that. It is good for straight, wavy, curly, coiled, tightly coiled hair. An innovative jelly conditioner that combines peppermint, tea tree, and spearmint oils to calm the scalp with an invigorating, cooling sensation, while charcoal helps absorb deep-rooted impurities. It is good for soothing, itchy, flaky scalp with an instant cooling sensation. Okay, so whenever I put this on my head, I just leave it in there for a little bit and I feel like almost like somebody's doing this to me. It is just like the peppermint just goes in there and you could just kind of feel it in your head and it feels so good. And then I go on with this one, which is a Don't Despair Deep Conditioning Mask, and then I kind of put it on the ends and I just let this sit on my scalp and it feels so good. And it has helped so much. Like, I would literally be able to go like this and I would see chunks of flakes and stuff, and it was just really gross. So this has made a huge difference for me. So this is absolutely like I have 3 of them. Like, I'm like obsessed with them. All right, so the other one is the Don't Despair mask. Now this is good for, well, pretty much all of it is just good for dry scalp, you know, itchy hair, and it's just gonna leave your hair feeling really nice and hydrated, and it's just going to kind of help it out. Like, I've seen such a huge difference. I mean, look at this. Like, for me to do my hair today was like a miracle, because you always see me with my hair pulled back really tight because I can't stand it. It's just dry no matter what I do to it. It was just like a pain in the butt. And then you would see like scalpy, gross things all over. So this stuff, if you have my issue, try this out because you will love it. Now, when you know, I can't wash my hair every day because it's super dry. So when it's just kind of like a hot mess and really frizzy and stuff like that, another thing, if I'm pulling it up, another thing that I like to use is a leave-in conditioner by Kristin ESS. I've mentioned this before in my drugstore favorite for hair products. You could get this at Target. This is great just to kind of calm the fuzzies. If you have curly hair, this is great just to kind of put it in there and it just calms the hair down. Now, another thing that I bought, which of course you could just use regular coconut, which this is like $6, and this I believe is $28. But hey, since I have it, I might as well use it, and I love it. As much as I love that, you know, this is just a little bougie version of it, but you can't eat this one, so you might as well buy the other one. So I love this. This is what I do when I have fuzzies in my hair, and I just kind of grab it and just kind of run my fingers through it, and I put it like on the ends of my hair and stuff like that. Now, because my hair is so dry that if I put too much, it absorbs it. That's how dry my hair. It absorbs it, and it goes back to looking not as dry since I've been using these products. But if your hair isn't like, you know, really crazy thick, you know, crazy curly hair, then be careful with this because it will make your hair a little bit on the greasy side. Anyway, I hope this helped you out with, you know, some of the issues that I told you about. If you have them, please try this out. You absolutely love it. They have like a ton of products I'm definitely going to be trying out, and I will give you an updated video. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.